Are you feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Do you need a way to unwind and relax? Check out Dog Days, the perfect way to de-stress and bring some calm into your life. This unique coloring book features 50 different dog breeds, each with their own fun and quirky personality. From the loyal and lovable Labrador Retriever to the regal and refined Irish Wolfhound, there's a dog for every mood and every occasion. And with a mix of mandala and Picasso-inspired designs, you can let your creativity flow and bring these furry friends to life with your own unique style. Not only will coloring in Dog Days help you relax, but you'll also learn about different dog breeds and their characteristics, making this a fun and educational experience. So what are you waiting for? Grab a copy of Dog Days, an adult coloring book for relaxation from Amazon at only $6.99 and start coloring your stress away.